Hello everyone, welcome to Next Gen AI Academy. I hope you are doing good. In this video, we are going to learn about how to perform mouse over using Selenium automation. It is one of the most used mouse action in the automation. First of all, what is mouse over? It triggers an event when we place a mouse over a designated area such as hyperlinks on the web page. Here I am just keeping the mouse above each web element. I am not clicking, I am just keeping it displaying the menu or submenu. For example, Flipkart, when I move above each image, it is displaying the list of hyperlink. You can see here, as per the requirement, we have to move mouse pointer above the QA automation. Then from this menu, mouse over above the practice automation, you can see submenus. From this, select the demo site registration form. When you click on this, the respective page will be displayed. So this is the requirement. We are going to code it. Let's code this scenario, creating a new class. Class name handling mouse over, public static void main. Click on finish. We are going to use the Firefox driver, so the necessary setups are done. After launching the URL, the next step is creating object of an action class. Actions object name equal to new action constructor passing the driver object. Imported. The mandatory steps are done. Whenever we want to use mouse on keyboard action, we have to use the action class. The next step, we have to mouse over on QA automation. That is like this. For this, we should know what is this particular web element, and it is a link, so we can use the link text locator, but we have to give exact QA automation in capitals. Web element object name QA automation equal to driver dot find element by dot link text and give exact link text, that is QA automation semicolon. It's a case sensitive. Next important step, the object name dot. In order to perform mouse over, we have a method called move to element. This will move the mouse pointer to the middle of the element, and which element here? It is QA automation and dot perform. Let's execute and see. Application launched. See, mouse pointer at the middle of the QA automation. That's why we are seeing this particular menu. Next step, we have to do the same operation above practice automation. This is also a link. We can use link text locator, and you can see the spelling practice automation. Same way, web element practice automation equal to driver dot find element by dot link text practice automation semicolon. Now the object name action dot move to element. The element name now is practice automation dot perform. Let's execute this program. Application is launched and see the mouse over. As expected, the code is working. First it selected the QA automation, then practice automation. Now we have to choose the demo site registration form. This is a big link. Let's use the partial link text to select this option, registration form. Web element registration form equal to driver dot find element by dot partial link text and give the partial value. It is also case sensitive semicolon. Now the particular web element dot click. That's it. Let's execute. Application is launched. Then it selected the registration page. See, the program is working as expected. At the end, include driver.close. The same process you can use it in any application. Hope you got clarity on this topic. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.